Hey friends, we welcome you all. Today we are going to have a lot of fun as we are going to learn some of the beautiful hairstyles in just few easy simple steps. All you need to watch this video completely and you have to follow all the steps as shown on your screens. See how we are going to create some beautiful hairstyles. Like first one is here we are creating a cute curvy bun. After that with the comb we are giving it a more clear look. You just have to follow all these steps carefully so that you can create this one. Difficulty level for this medium, and it's best suited for the one who are actually expert in such kind of the hairstyle. Otherwise you just need to have more practice. For practicing you just need to have some patience. And see how we are going to create this braid hairstyle. From the center we are taking the hair. After that we are placing a bun inside. It will actually give it a hump shaped look, and this one is little bit difficult but you can make this one. Now we are going to try another hairstyle. For this we are making the partition of the hair. After that, making use of the rubber band, we are creating two ponytails. Then we are again taking some of the hair and we are actually making a plait from this look. You just have to loose the plaits using your fingers. You have to pull some of the hair out and you have to follow all these steps. It's somewhat similar to the French tail that we usually make. This may take some of your time but it will give a much royal look. You may need this one. Let's come to the other hairstyle. For this we are tying up the hair twice and then we are giving some twist to the hair. After that you have to again give the twist. You have to follow this step by step so that a braid will be created. It's somewhat a Barbie hairstyle that you might have seen in some movies and the cartoons, and in reality we are going to teach you this hairstyle. You can pause the video so that you may not get confused at any step. This one is so cool and easy. This hairstyle is inspired from the French tail. We are taking the hair from the forehead, from the half section of the head, not from all. Then we are trying to make a French plait like we used to do. It's just a similar. You have to just follow this step carefully. Once you are done with the one side of the hair, then you can start the same procedure for the second half of their hair. Just follow and have this look. See, now we are taking the hair from the other side and we are creating the same look. At last you will see that we will have two French tails and they will look so nice. Our next hairstyle is also inspired from the braid, but this braid will be somewhat difficult and it may look complicated. You just need to have focus. For this you have to take the few strands of the hair as shown on your screens. Then you have to make the plait and see how easy this one is. You just need to have focus and you just need to have patience to make this one. You have to take some of the hair from the inner towards the outside using your fingers so that it will give much volume to your braid and it will look so nice at the end, and it's so beautiful. Our next hairstyle, we just need a red color ribbon as it's apparent on your screens. You just have to tie this up with using pin. After that you have to make a braid. While you are making this plait, you have to take the ribbon alongside with the each step so that this will be apparent and it will look so nice as if we have kept some of the red pins inside your hair, but it's actually a cool satin ribbon that's given this entire look. Just give it a try. It may take some of your time, but the look that will come, it will be worth investing the time in such kind of the hairstyles. Thanks for watching.